How to use the latest Reshade on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open a browser and search reshade.me and then click on download in here. After that, click on download Reshade again. After it's downloaded, open the application. Then search for Roblox player on your display. Right-click on Roblox player, then click on Open File Location. After file location is on, click on Roblox player, right-click on it, then simply click on Copy in here. After you have copied the link or the address, go to Reshade and then click on Browse. In the Browse section, simply paste what you copied earlier, which is add the file name. Simply click on Ctrl+V to paste and press on open. Then press on next at the bottom. You'll find this kind of screen. Press on next again, which will lead you to this page. Press on next again. After that, click on finish and you're good to go. Now you can open your Roblox, and this is how to use the latest Reshade on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.